How to use volt and ammeter indicator. This is a split core current transformer. Twist single phase wire into split core current transformer. Attach AC phase and neutral wire into the volt and ammeter indicator. Attach JST pin of the split core current transformer to the volt and ammeter indicator. As you can see, when we plug AC male socket into the AC current board, then the volt and ammeter indicator will be start get readings. As you can see, when we add load to the AC board, the readings will change. I hope you understood this video. Please comment.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.